Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will how to fix Fallout 3 not launching, crashing, lag. So the first step is we have to go to our device manager. So in the device manager, we have to click on display adapters and we have to click on our graphic adapters and update the graphic driver. So we have to click on pause my computer for drivers and next. When you click next, this graphic driver will be updated. So the first step has been done. So now after this step we have to go to our Windows Defender firewall. So now you have to click on turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. So we have to turn off all the Windows Defender firewall and click OK. Now we have to remove some unnecessary programs in the task manager. So we have to remove these programs and tasks. So you have to remove all the unnecessary tasks in the task manager. So now after we have to click on right game mode settings and here we have to turn on the game mode. So this was the third step. Now we have to go to our control panel and to give some DNS change. So we will click on network and sharing center. Now in here we have to click on change adapter settings. So I change adapter settings. Now we click on Wi-Fi and click properties. Now we click on Internet Protocol version 4 and we click obtain DNS server address automatically and we click OK and close. So now you have to check if your Windows is updated or not. So we'll click on Windows update settings and we'll see our Windows is updated or not. So my Windows is updated, you are up to date. So if your Windows is not updated, update your Windows. So now after this we have to give CMD some commands and run as administrator. So here is our CMD. So we have to give some command to CMD. I will give this command in the description. So this is the first command. So I will give him the second command, net has been software set. So this was the last command. So after these steps you have to click exit. So after these commands go to your game. So after click on the game and click on properties and now click on compatibility and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and click apply and OK and also run this program as an administrator. So now after these steps prepare your files in the Steam or Epic Games and reinstall this game, and after these steps restart your laptop or PC. This error will be solved. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. Love is bye.